How to use Phantom Wallet Solana. Quick and easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Phantom Wallet, which is a Solana wallet, to buy, send, receive, and swap tokens on Solana blockchain. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up phantom.app and you will get right here. You can see Phantom makes it safe and easy for you to store, buy, send, receive, swap tokens, and collect NFTs on Solana blockchain. So if you're looking for a wallet for Solana, then Phantom is the right choice. Once you get on phantom.app, we can also download the app itself or we can access it on our desktop. Click on download. Then you can see we can download for phone or we can get Phantom on desktop. So I'm just going to click on Chrome. You will select your browser. So I have selected Chrome. It took me to Chrome Web Store extensions and we have to click on Add to Chrome. This is the extension. Click on Add extension. It will be downloaded. Once the extension is added, we will be able to create a new wallet, a crypto wallet reimagined for DeFi and NFTs. You can see create a new wallet and I already have a wallet. So we're going to create a new wallet, then set up the password. So you just need to enter the password and confirm it. I'm going to quickly do that. Click on I agree to the terms and services. Click on continue. This is your secret key. Click on continue. Continue again and finish. Our wallet has been created. Now you will be able to find the extension here and we're going to pin it. Let's open it up. So this is our Phantom wallet. It's actually really easy to get a Solana wallet with Phantom. Now I'll show you how to use it. First of all, you can see it will show you the wallets that you have and we can create more than one wallet. Then we have our balance, which is shown in USD. We have deposit, buy and send option. This is going to be the blockchain that you've selected and you can also manage other tokens from here. This is our main dashboard. Then we have this option and we have swap and this one right here. I'll show you one by one. This is our account where I will be able to find my address book, security and privacy, trusted apps, developer settings and more. We also have the lock wallet option given. First of all, if you want to deposit funds, click on deposit. Then you're going to select your token. For example, Solana, Everyone Coin, and others. I'm going to select Solana. And this is going to be your wallet address. And you're just going to copy, click on transfer from exchange, and you will be able to do so if you have funds in your exchange. So all you need to do is you can just deposit the funds this way. You can also click on this plus button to add a custom token. To add a custom token, what you will do is you will enter the mint address, name, symbol, click on add and a new token will be added manually. Then we have some of the tokens given here and we have portals. Now I'm going to click on close. This is the deposit option. Moving on, we have buy. Click on buy and again you have to select your token. We have Solana, USD coin, USDT and others. I'm going to select Solana this time as well. This is going to be our wallet address and you have to enter the amount you want to buy. Let's say that I want to buy, I have $1,000. So with 1,000 USD, I will be able to buy 35 SOL. This is the exchange rate right now. Let's see how much is. So you can see 1 SOL is equal to 28.4 USD with Phantom. And this is at the time of making this video. So with this rate, if I have 1,000 USD, I will get 35.31. We can also select our amount from here automatically. Click on next. Then we have three options to buy SOL with Phantom. We have Coinbase Pay, MoonPay, and FTX Pay. With Coinbase Pay, buy or transfer from Coinbase. If you use Coinbase, then it will become really easy for you. Then we have MoonPay. Now this is for people who want to buy tokens with their debit cards, credit cards, Apple Pay, bank transfer. So this is actually a really good option available. And then we have FTX Pay. Buy or transfer from ftx.us. So these are the three options. I'm going to go with MoonPay from here and it will open up the MoonPay account for me. All you need to do is just continue with MoonPay. If you do not have an account, you can create one, continue, and you will be able to buy Solana. Moving on, we have the send option. Now sending is really easy. Click on send. Again, select the token. I'm going to select Solana. You have to enter the recipient's Solana address, their Phantom wallet, or other wallet they have. Enter the amount you want to send. Let's say I want to send 20 Sol to an address. So you will enter it right here, and this is going to be the swap rate, maybe like 200. And this is, you will just click on next, enter the address right here, and you will be able to send them Sol very easily using Phantom wallet. Then we have this option right here, which is the collection option. So if you have any collectibles that you have, like for example, different NFTs, trading cards that you actually collected with your Phantom wallet, they will be shown right here. Then we have this option, which is again our swap option. So let's say I want to swap between two tokens that I have. So for that, we can select the one that we want to go for. For example, we will select Sol, and then I want to convert it into USDC. So you just enter the amount you pay. Let's say I want to pay 10 Sol and I will receive 281 USDC. This is the price right here. 1 Sol is equal to 28.1 USDC at the time of making this video. Then we have our providers, price impact, estimated fee. The fee is just going to be 0.057. So this is actually pretty impressive. Then you will just pay the amount, or you can swap to different tokens here. This is actually the swap token option within our Phantom, like from one blockchain to the other, one token to the other. So you will just enter the amount you want to pay and transfer. Then we have this option right here, which is the recent activity. And here I will be able to find all of my transactions. If I sent somebody something, if I received something, deposit, anything, it will be shown right here in recent activity. And then we have our assets right here given. Click on manage token list and you will be able to add a new token as I showed you before. If you are looking for these settings, you will be able to find it right here. Click on the developer settings and you will be able to actually find the change mainnet, preferred explorer option. Similarly, we have display language and address book. To enter an address, click on address, add right here, add label, address, click on add and the address will be added and you will be able to send them Solana using Phantom wallet. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.